Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to help you on how to fix Word document not opening. A lot of us may be wondering what's happening on your computer or your Word document app or software. In this guide, I will help you. Just follow every step so we can easily fix this problem. Now let's begin. First, you need to go to your Start menu and type over there Services. And after that, click Open. Once you have opened the Windows Services, you have to go and find Print Spooler. So press P button from your keyboard and find this option. It's called Print Spooler. So right click on that option and go to Properties, and after that click on Manual. And click on Apply, then OK. Once it is done, you have to restart or reboot your computer and try to open Microsoft Word on your computer. And also, we have another option to fix it. First, press right-click on the window bar and go to Run and type appwiz.cpl, appwiz.cpl, and hit Enter so it will open up programs and features. So we are going to repair either you have Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Word Office installed. Just look for that option here and select it, Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Then right-click, click on Change, and here we are going to Quick Repair, and it will take lesser time to fix. And that's it. If the Word document will not open again, let me know below to the comment section, and I get you back as soon as possible. Hope this short video will help you. Before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you're new here.